I am a genius. Also, fire freaking rocks. It's race face chesters. You want to look it up. Come on, buddy. Get it together. Where's that? There it is. V8 tastes great. I'm gonna service the headset and new bars. Let's get to it. I don't have any of my tools down here, so I'm just gonna use the multi-tool to do all this. Oh, you only need like one Allen key. So I'm gonna take the wheel off. Come on now, silly. Anyway, so I'm changing my bars. I get to just take everything off. Super easy. And then I can take the whole fork out, and all this stuff will just be hanging, chilling. Grips will be on the table. Stem off, and we'll just clean everything. I can already see grit in there. We'll just clean everything and wipe off all the grease and dirt and whatever. And then put more grease and then eventually more dirt. Alright, let's rip all this stuff off. That's loose. Wow! Oh, that one didn't make a cool noise. Brakes. That's a 5. But I give this bike a 10. Yeah, there you go. There's 1. There's 2. And away she goes. And hopefully I'll remember that this goes on first. Stop it! Alright. Look at that. That one was loose as heck. Oh no, it's because I have loosened the other ones. Dwee. Whoa! That won't come right out, will it? No, it won't. Probably easier with a regular Allen key. We're doing rail bike maintenance right now, boys. Come on. Dig on. Oh yeah, she greasy in there, bud. Top cap. 5mm. Easy now, bud. Alright. Well, that won't hold her in there. There's some grease in there still. Gosh, she's clean looking. Somebody takes care of their bike. What do we got here? We got a 5. Oh, a little tight. There she goes. Off she comes. Watch out for a spacer cascade. Come on. There she is. One little batting and one little race. So there's some grit and dirty grease on that one. So just get all this wiped off. Get all these wiped off and new grease. Put them back together. We're just gonna clean it up. Need to get me a quick sip. Stay hydrated, friends. Remember, V8 tastes great. Excuse me. This one looks good. Looks kind of good. Make sure you always cut your steer real nice. That's that fairly well cleaned. Let's get some new grease. You're about to see a real struggle when I try and put all this. Yeah. Okay. A little bit of grease goes a long way. Woo! Easy, baby. What about it, sweetheart? What about it, sweetheart? Oh, easy now, baby. Alright, what do we got? Do the old, when I dip, you dip. We dip. Oh yeah, that was easy, baby. We'll get a little hip action in it. Just gonna hip it. Doesn't need to be perfect here. We'll just get it on so the stem holds it all together. There she goes. It's all right. Get that star nut on top. There she goes. She's all right. Ain't going anywhere now. Oh no, I forgot a sticker. Why are you gonna put a warning sticker on mountain bike handlebars? Like, why does that need to be on there? Like, duh. People that litigiously excited, and now I gotta peel the thing. Come on, man, this is silly. All right, I have a plan. Just a little light heat. Ah! Woo! Oh, ah! That's kind of worked. Look at that sticker. I am a genius. Also, fire freaking rocks. What that? What that? What that? What good? Oh, that's good. Damn you, furnace! Pause. We'll just be your furnace break. Alright, the furnace quit, so it's back to work. Back to work. Just gonna... When you tighten these down, you want to kind of do them even so that you're not pinching on the top or the bottom. There it is. Locked in for now. Okay, let's see if I can get all these on here. What idiot put these bars on backwards? Here you go. Big boy's in the mix in here again, so anybody that was sad and didn't like my last video because there was no cat action, there's some cat action for you. Say hi, big boy. What's up, y'all? Come on, buddy. Get it together. This is gonna be sweet. This is gonna be sweet. Didn't do one of these anyway. Now that I don't need everything to hang together, taking that down. There you go. And I'm going to tighten all this up now, but I will again check it when it's on the ground. And, you know, obviously you got to get it actually straight. So, check all that again. Is my stem upside down? Oh. I always find a way. Always find a way. I read that the words were... Alright, well that's easy. That's annoying, but that's easy. Everything I do it backwards first. Case in point, stem, backwards. So I'm going to cut, unscrew all this, put it back together, and come back. Be right back in a minute. Alright, you rejoin me after I have corrected my mistake. Now I'm just going to get these last stem bolts torqued down to spec. Get my torque wrench out here. Yep, that is 108 inch-pounds. Yep, get in here. Yep, yep, that's 12. That's 12 Newton meters right there. Okay, got it, good. Grips. Oh man, I had them perfect too, how I liked them. Right about there. Right about there. What's up, Dad? Dad said, am I doing anything tonight? Well, I'm making a video on how to fix the bike. Easy now, bud. Big boy's making a lot of noise, really exploring out there. And then we'll just retighten these up. Not to the point where they're locked in, but to the point where they don't move. But if you needed them to move, like if you ran into a tree or something, I think they would move. Big boy. It would be better with regular Allen keys, but it would have been too hard to walk out into the garage and get the set. Oh! I shouldn't have squeezed them pads in the front. I don't have a thing in there. Dang it! Whatever. Alright. That's a new cockpit and a greased headset and a fixed, well, I don't know, not fixed, it wasn't broken. Didn't even make any noise, but it's cleaned up for the season, no more grit, fresh grease in there. So that's how you do that. I'm always so bad at this. That's it. Not sure what's the service next. Probably index the derailleur, I guess. Oh no, we'll see. Yep, alright, thanks for watching. Come on, big boy.